Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very easy smoky eye. This was requested by one of my childhood friends, and so yeah, I thought I would do it for maybe an Eid look or somewhat meh. Anyway, so yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so to start off with the eyes, I've already done this one and I'm going to show you how to do this one. I've already primed my primed my lids, and I've set it with loose powder. You can use any of it. You can use an eyeshadow base and then set it with any powder you like. And I've also applied some loose powder underneath, so just in case if there's any fallout, you can wipe it off later. So today I'm using this Aura palette by Bad Habit, and I'm going to start with this shade called Awakening, and I'm going to apply it on my crease with a blending brush like this. This is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm just using back and forth motions and some circular motions along with it to blend this color nicely into the crease. I mean, a bit above the crease, but you know what I mean. So once the crease is done, I'm taking this shade. It's kind of a lilac shade, but okay, it's called Haze, and I'm taking a slightly smaller brush and applying it just below where I applied the pink shade. I mean the light pink shade. And we are going to blend these two together. Okay, next I'm taking this dark brown shade, which is called Vibe, and using a packed brush like this, I am going to apply it just below the crease. Finally, I'm taking this black shade, which is called Immortal, and apply it on my lid. I'm starting from the center and then gradually moving around. You can even use a gel liner or a kohl if you like, but I find that too intense for my personal taste, so I like to do this. Once you're done with that, I'm going to again go back into the brown shade. First, blend it with the black. And then I'm going in with, I'm going back to that lilac shade and blending that again. I am going to take this, what is this? This is from Within. This is Silky Waterproof Eyeliner. It's a kajal basically, and then I'm going to apply it into my waterline. Also, don't worry, you will not look this hideous once the look is completed. I'm going in with the black eyeshadow again and blending the kajal with that. Next, I'm mixing the brown and the lilac shade and just softening it. Okay, so I'm back and I applied some mascara, some lashes and highlighter and lipstick, and this is the final look, and I really hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, then please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. Also, Eid Mubarak to you guys in advance, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.